Hello everyone. So today we will going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is countable and uncountable nouns. In this chapter we will going to know about the different types of noun, that is one is countable and other is uncountable, the one which we can count and which we cannot. Let's begin. Chapter 5, countable and uncountable nouns. Take the things you can count and cross the thing you cannot count. Now there the pictures given. इसमें जो हम count कर सकते हैं उसको टिक करेंगे और जो नहीं, that is we have to put the cross. Like pen, there are 3 pens. We can count them. Tick. Cannot count the water. Birds, 2 birds you can count. So we can count pens. We can have 1, 2 or more pens. We can also count birds. These are countable things. Because हमें पता है ये 3 pens से हम इन्हें count कर सकते हैं. Birds को हम count कर सकते हैं. Countable nouns names can be singular or plural. अब जो countable nouns होते हैं, countable names होते हैं, वो singular भी एक भी हो सकता है, plural भी हो सकता है. Countable तो आप एक चीज है तो एक को count कर सकते हो, ज्यादा है तो भी count कर सकते हो. Like example, bat, bats, apple, apples, chair, chairs. So chair is countable. Suppose there are one chair, you can count, say this is one, and it is more than 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20 chairs, then also you can count. Things that we cannot count are called uncountable living words. लेकिन जिन चीजों को आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते हो, ना सिंगल ना प्लूरल, वो अनकाउंटेबल होता है. एग्जाम्पल, मिल्क. मिल्क यू कैन नॉट काउंट. बटर 1, 2, 3 नहीं कर सकते हो. ऑयल, फ्लावर. So these are uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are the things that we cannot count. Uncountable nouns वो चीजें होती है जिनको आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते. There are no plural forms of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns की कोई भी plural form नहीं होती. जैसे कि milk है तो milks नहीं होता. They are always in singular form. वो हमेशा singular form में ही रहते हैं. Examples: water, we cannot say waters. Sand, rain, tea, wheat, sugar. These are all uncountable. Milk cannot be written as milks. Sugar cannot be written as sugars. Now let's do the worksheet 1. Now fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these pictures. Then write C for countable nouns and UC for uncountable. Now first we will going to fill these words in the blanks and then we will write down whether it is countable or uncountable. This is mango. It is countable. This is salt. It is uncountable. This is coffee. It is uncountable. This is milk. It is again uncountable. This is egg. Countable. This is chair. Countable. Now let's come to the worksheet 2. Underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns. Then write them in the correct box. इसमें हमें countable nouns को circle करना है, underline करना है और uncountable को encircle करना है. Then उनके correct boxes में हमको name लिखना. The one is milk is a healthy food. So milk can countable है? No, it's an uncountable. Milk is an uncountable and food is also uncountable. Where we will going to write it? Milk and food. Boys like to play in the sand. Boys को you can count and sand को you cannot count. So boys will be here and sand you can write here. I do not like tea and coffee. So you both cannot be counted. Neither tea nor coffee. So tea and coffee. My books are lying on the table. So books you can count. Table you can count. My brother has 4 balls. So brother you can count. Balls you can count. So brother and balls. Children are swimming in water. Children you can count, but water you cannot count. So here the children you can write in the countable nouns, and water will come in uncountable. I like to eat rice for lunch. So rice ko you cannot count. Rice will come in uncountable. There are dark clouds in the sky. So clouds again you cannot count. Now choose the countable and uncountable nouns from each sentence and write them under the correct columns. अब इसमें हमें choose करना है कौन सा countable है कौन सा uncountable noun है from each sentence. Then we have to put them in the correct columns. First is sugar is used for making sweets. So sugar is a noun. And which noun? It is uncountable noun. And sweets can count. That is a countable. So sweets will come over here. There is a lot of sand in the desert. So sand is a noun and desert. Sand again, desert can be counted, but sand cannot be counted. Cows eat grass. So cows ko you can count. Grass ko you cannot count. So cows will come here. Grass. Children are making noise. So children you can count. Noise you cannot count. So children will come here. As it is an abstract noun. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. You all can go through it once again, practice and do direct exercises yourself. We'll meet in the next video with the next chapter. Bye bye. Take care.